Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Little short video. I was working on this project this morning, and I stated in the video that his page size is in inches. His units are in inches, but his nudge and his duplicate distance is in millimeters. I had never seen that before, but if you go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go over to Documents, you can go down to Rulers, and he has it set on millimeter. When I get a file from somebody, I don't know, maybe it gets, if I did something, but you could change this back to inches and then say, okay, and now we're at inches. But a viewer or subscriber kind of turned me on to this, which I never knew. Instead of going all those steps, you can double click on your ruler and it'll bring up that same ruler docker. And this is pretty neat. This is where you can change your, my nudge distance is always 0.001. Just because I'm a laser engraver. So my super nudge is twice that amount. When I put that number in, it'll change. But always have your duplicate distance on 0.0. You'll be a lot better off in the long run. And of course, that's my opinion, but I've seen it in too many cases where it could help you. And then of course, go to Tools and save as default, and then those settings will be saved. So now my nudge distance is in inches, my duplicate distance is in inches, and that's the way it should be. I don't know what happened. And if you look now, it's my super nudge is twice that amount and half that amount. So when you use your macro, and this is your shift key and your control key when you're moving your arrows. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.